So, what does it mean to play games? You play games to create a diversion, which is very healthy. If you're playing a game to ignore the fact that you're hungry, that actually can help you cope and survive. If you have anxiety and you can't sleep at night, it might be worthwhile to get on Netflix and watch some stupid movie just to distract yourself. So, escaping from ourselves is a really important piece of being human. Unfortunately, there are a huge number of traps. We can escape from ourselves and then not deal with our problems. And climate change is a gigantic, I would even say the ecological crisis, bigger than climate change. It's an example of escapism by a million routes because people don't know how to deal with it. And to get to the other side of this chasm requires us to do something in preparation before we cross the chasm, and that is to identify the sacred. If we identify the sacred, and I mean in a very personal way, what is sacred to me as an individual person who is going through a crisis, so that when I get to nihilism, I don't just commit suicide. Basically, I have something sacred that I'm responsible to that is bigger than myself. So my problems of nihilism come from my relationship to myself. So I need something that I conceive as more foundational than myself, that I'm in service to. And then I will tolerate the nihilism, I will tolerate the depression to be of service to it.